Guys, I'm off the phone.
Light. See, you got. I think it's done. I think. Well, that's your problem, right there. There wasn't enough water in the fucking car. That's the problem, right there. Wow! No wonder. You didn't have water in the hole. We're dicks. Look at this guy's out there. What the fuck are they doing?
You're making me miss.
Oh, that's your problem. You see that? You see that? What did I get? I got Poland Springs. I went in there, I said, listen, my car isn't working, I need some water. That shit's overheating. Let's go ask the hippies in Barnes & Noble if they know anything on the subject.
There's usually a bunch of lesbians in there.
Nice. They tell them they know how to fix cars, they're lesbians. They come out here and have fun.
I meant like
Lamar
gay.
can pop the hood.
More like dudes, but there are some lesbians.
I lined that one up. That little stick. Was that it?